Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nabil Fatahila. My name is 2023-32125 and I'm from class Deep Learning A. Today I will explain my practical report of Lapak 3 of the third practical report about uh, RNN LSTM. Okay, so for the overview, this project is about to make a model of LSTM to classify tweets about airlines into three categories: negatives, neutral, and positives. For the architecture, it uses LSTM or long short-term memories, and it will use manual weights. Okay, so the first step is to choose the file path. It is for the local file, not using Google Drive for me. Next is data library import. We use pandas, array, scalar model selection, and TensorFlow Keras. Okay, so first step is data loading and cleaning. For loading, we load the dataset using Panda, and then for the cleaning, it will clean the data because the data is made of text, a lot of text. I will remove mention, link, and unnecessary characters from the dataset. Maybe it's too. Okay. Next is sentiment labeling or label mapping. It converts text labels into numbers. For the positive, it's 2, neutral, it's 1, and negative, it's 0. Okay, and then I targeting the feature. For the feature is X, and then for the label is Y. Next is tokenizing or text pre-processing. So tokenizer is to build a dictionary of the top 10,000 most frequent words. Each word is assigned a unique number ID or integer ID. Okay, 10,000. Just for the initialization, and then it's to change the sequence to integer. And next is padding. So neural networks needs require fixed size inputs. So padding, this function will ensure every tweet is exactly 100 numbers long. So short tweets are padded with zeros, and long tweets will be cut off or truncated. So it will like 100 digits. Okay, we're padding and truncating. Next is one-hot encoding. The target labels 1, 0, 1, and 2 are converted into categorical vectors. Okay, like maybe for 0 it will be made of 100 or 101 like that. So it will become a vector. Next is data splitting. Okay, so it will 80% for training and 20% for testing or yes, testing. Okay, next is glove embeddings. Instead of learning the meanings, the model will download glove. It's a massive pre-trained database of word vectors. It will like give a head start for the model, so it will faster make the training and model faster and better. Okay, just using glove, it will read the glove embedding, and then this will the matrix embedding. Okay, embedding layer. The okay, next is like modeling, sequential modeling. First is the embedding layer, the input layer. It will looks up the glove vector for each word. Next is LSTM. LSTM, this is the core logic. It was the sequence of words remembering context from the beginning of the sentence to understand the end. Next is dense first dropout, 0.5 or 50%. So it will randomly turn off 50% of the neurons during training to prevent overfitting or memorizing the data. Okay, dense layer 64 using ReLU, a standard neural network layer to interpret the LSTM's output. Next is the output layer using 3 units, and softmax outputs the probability for the three classes: negative, neutral, and positive. Okay, this is the compilation of the model. Okay, next is training with class weight, class imbalance. I will manually define the class weight, which is right here. This is 1 for negative, 5 for neutral, and 4 for positive. Okay, this suggests the dataset has many negative tweets because the weight is 1 and fewer neural or positive ones. The higher weight forces the model to pay more attention to the minority class. Next is training with 5 epoch and 128 for the batch size. It will training with the key of the class weight. Next is evaluation. So the performance is arguably still very low, maybe because the combination of this weight is not like explored long enough, because I have to like explore more for the combination of the manual weights. Okay, so the accuracy is 19.81% and the testing loss or evaluation loss is 1.2. That's like high, very high loss. And then it will predict with the new tweets. Okay, scan the inaccurate. Okay, so the analysis, like, why is the accuracy so low? Okay, because maybe like I said, the manual weights is kinda hard coded, like it's very aggressive, it's not like completely explored, so the manual weights is very sensitive to the evaluation, so that make the model efficiency is still very low. Okay, maybe that's it for my explanation from my practical report, third practical report about LSTM. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.